Yeah. Some mornings courage don't feel like courage. You feel like putting your feet on the floor when you got nothing left. Still, get up! Alarm ring early but you barely slept. Bills on the table and the promise ain't kept. 3 applications, 3 more not today. You smile for the children while your hope slips away. Phone stop ringing when the money run low. People call you family till you got nowhere to go. You gave your best and they still chose another. Now you ask in the mirror, what is wrong with me, brother? I know that feeling when the doors stay closed. When everybody sees the smile, nobody knows. When you pray for a break and another thing breaks, and you're tired of being strong for everybody's sake. But rejection is a moment, it is not your name. Being broke is a season, poverty ain't shame. Cry if you need to, feel everything you feel, but don't build your home inside the wound you need to heal. One more breath, one more try. You don't need wings just to rise. Even if today all you do is survive, surviving means something. When the world tests your life, get up anyway. Even when the rain won't stop, get up anyway. Even when your heart feels dropped, get up anyway. Let the whole world see I am not what happened to me. Get up anyway. When nobody calls your name, get up anyway. When they laugh at your pain, bent but breathing, still standing on my feet. I am not what happened to me. Get up anyway. One foot, one breath anyway. No, I won't let yesterday tell tomorrow who to be. I am not what happened. Our people know something about getting back up. Empty cupboard, still somebody sharing a cup. Grandmother buried 2 dreams and raised 5. Worked till her fingers told the story of survival. Men crossed oceans with the name in the bag. Built another man's country under somebody's flag. Fields made fortunes for the ones holding chains. Still the songs from the quarters outlived their names. History taught us pain can travel through blood. War leaves children where a childhood once stood. Colonies change flags, not every condition. Freedom on paper don't erase deprivation. And today it's high rent, layoffs, debt. Young people working and still falling behind. Yet one bad month can put a family on the street. So don't tell struggling people that the struggle is weak. But hear this, the wound deserves truth, not a permanent thumb. You may need help, you don't have to fight alone. Therapy, prayer, befriend, whatever helps you stand. Strength ain't pretending you don't need another hand. If your father broke you, break the pattern with your son. If they told you you're nothing, don't become what they've done. If you lost 10 years, don't surrender 11. You can start from the ground without falling from heaven. Some days victory is brushing your hair. Some days victory is simply staying there. Some days courage ain't roaring like a lion. It's whispering tomorrow and tonight you feel like crying. One more try. You don't need wings just to rise. Even if today all you do is survive, surviving means something. When the world tests your life, get up anyway. Even when the rain won't stop, get up anyway. Even when your heart feels dropped, get up anyway. Let the whole world see I am not what happened to me. Get up anyway. When nobody calls your name, get up anyway. When they laugh at your pain, bent but breathing, still standing on my feet. I am not what happened to me. Not because it's easy, not because it's fair, not because the people who promised you stay there, not because the system suddenly learned your name, not because your heartbreak stopped hurting the same. Get up because you're here, get up because you can, get up with shaking knees. You don't have to feel like I understand. And if all you got is one small spark, guard that fire in the dark. Morning never asks the night for permission to arise. Get up anyway. Even when the rain won't stop, get up anyway. Even when your heart feels dropped, get up anyway. Let the whole world see I am not what happened to me. Get up anyway. When the road feels long, get up anyway. When you don't feel strong, scars may tell my history, but reacted, I'm still here today. Let the whole world see I am not what happened to me. Maybe not fast, maybe not pretty, maybe nobody claps,